Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and I want to talk to you about the OnePlus 10 Pro. One of the things that OnePlus users, enjoyers, and enthusiasts and fans of all sorts have come to love and appreciate is this red cord and these big, beefy charging bricks. And I went to great lengths today to make sure I killed the battery. We are at 0%. The device is turned off. I did my best to try to catch it on film, but that last percent kept going forever. And I was like, wow, at least I know if I'm down to my 1% on my phone, this phone, I've got some time in me. It's not gonna die right away. And I was kind of surprised by that. I mean, I probably got at least 5 minutes of playing YouTube footage off of 1%. It's almost like a tank of gas. The more you use, the longer, like the last quarter tank just goes really slow. And I think that's kind of how I can describe my battery experience with this device. Is the upfront discharge felt a little aggressive. I felt like I got to 80% really quick. But then it seemed that the discharge or the using of the battery just it started to optimize and get a little bit better. It started to make it so the percentages weren't moving as quickly as they normally do. So I decided I'm gonna drain this thing and I'm gonna plug it in, I'm gonna record it, and I want you guys to see, along with me, what it is we're looking at for actual charging speeds. What this is telling us, what's this marketing from OnePlus, is 15 minutes, 65 watt charger, wall charger plugged in will charge this device for all day. Now, all day, I don't know if they're calling that 80% or if they're calling that 100%. Not really too sure. I want to know, what do they mean when they say all day? So we're gonna fire up the camera, we're gonna get a timer going, and we're actually gonna see how long it's going to take to charge this for 15 minutes and where we're gonna end. So about minute 40 seconds, and it came on with about 2% battery. So it powered up that 1% back, that deep part of the tank, and then it powered back on at 2%. 2 minutes and 40 seconds, and we're at 5%. 3 minutes and 45 seconds, and we are at 10% in. So we are right at 5 minutes in, and we are at 15%. So if this holds true and we get 15% every 5 minutes, then at 15 minutes, we should be ending at 45%. So we'll see if the charging speed actually picks up the longer it is plugged in. We are just about 6 minutes and 10 seconds in and we're at 20%. 7 minutes and we are at about 24%. We're at 9 minutes in and we're at 31%. 10 minutes in and we are at 35%. So it looks like we are right at 51%, right there, right, 15 minutes. So there we have it, 52%, 0 to 52% in 15 minutes. And I'm quite certain if I left it on for another 5, I probably would have gotten another 15%, and that would have put me around 65% battery, which for this device and how I have used it, and I feel that the battery optimization on it is pretty good. And like all things Android, it is still learning and it is still optimizing and always making suggestions. I think the OnePlus 10 Pro battery is pretty good. I think it might be one of the better batteries that I've actually experienced in a past couple years, which this is what I expect it to be, where they're keeping the design small and they're offering us a lot more features than we're used to getting. So I think that this battery is a big win. Good job, OnePlus. If you like this video or you want to see more videos like it, or you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. If you like my content, give me a thumbs up and share my content with your friends and family on social media. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.